How do RC transmitters and receivers actually work? Imagine holding a tiny remote control that can make a toy car zoom or a drone fly just by pressing buttons. Ever wonder how those signals travel from your hand to the vehicle? Let's break down how RC transmitters and receivers do their magic. The transmitter is the device you hold, with sticks, triggers, or switches. When you move a stick or press a button, it turns your physical action into a radio signal. This signal is like a message that travels through the air at a specific frequency, usually around 2.4 gigahertz. The receiver inside the RC vehicle listens for these signals. When it picks one up, it decodes the message into commands. These commands tell the vehicle what to do, like turn left, accelerate, or lift a wing. The receiver then sends signals to different parts of the vehicle. For example, it controls servos that move steering wheels or control surfaces. It also manages electronic speed controllers that adjust the motor's power. Modern systems use digital signals, which are made up of tiny data packets. These packets include error-checking codes to make sure the message is correct. If there's interference or noise, the system can ignore corrupted signals and keep control smooth. When you turn on your transmitter and vehicle, they go through a process called binding. This pairs the two devices so they only talk to each other, preventing other signals from interfering. Transmitters often have multiple channels, each controlling a different function. For example, a 4-channel transmitter might control throttle, steering, and two auxiliary functions. Some transmitters have features like programmable mixing, which combines controls for more complex movements. They can also send back data like battery levels or signal strength, which helps you keep an eye on your vehicle's health. For beginners, choosing a system with the right number of channels and good range is important. A simple 2- or 3-channel system is enough to start with a basic car or boat. As you get more experienced, you might want more channels for additional features. The key is understanding that these radio signals are the bridge between your hand and the vehicle, making remote control possible. Knowing how they work helps you pick the right system and get the most fun out of your first RC toy.